Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to perform car donuts. First, find a large, empty, and safe paved area, far from any obstacles or other vehicles. Ensure your car is in good mechanical condition, especially the tires and brakes. This maneuver is often illegal and can be dangerous, so understanding the technique is purely for informational purposes. Always prioritize safety and legality. To initiate a donut, turn your steering wheel fully to one side, for example, to the left. Then, apply a burst of throttle while quickly pulling and releasing the handbrake. This breaks traction in the rear wheels. As the car begins to rotate, modulate the throttle and steering to maintain the circular motion. It requires precise coordination between all controls. The physics behind a car donut involves significant weight transfer. As you turn and apply power, the car's weight shifts, reducing traction on the inside wheels. Overcoming tire friction is key. The handbrake helps initiate this by locking the rear wheels momentarily. The amount of engine power and your steering angle will determine the size and speed of your donut. It's crucial to understand the risks involved. Performing donuts can cause rapid and extreme wear on your tires, potentially leading to blowouts. It also puts immense stress on your car's drivetrain, suspension, and brakes, which could result in costly damage. Remember, this activity is illegal in most places and should never be attempted on public roads. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, please check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.